Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Dump Them puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga and 3D printed by No Problem Puzzles. Difficulty level of the Dump Them puzzle is 9 out of 10 on the Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 5 blue pieces inside the frame. As you can see, this puzzle has quite unusual restriction. We have a lid that can be rotated, and the objective of the puzzle is to fit everything inside and lock the lid. So there is no supposed to be pieces sticking out or the lid be like in this position. All pieces supposed to be inside and the lid in this position. How to do that? That is quite interesting and tricky puzzle, since it requires a little bit different way of thinking when solving it, since we have a 3x3x3 space inside and it doesn't seem like a big a deal to assemble a 3x3x3 shape inside the frame, but how to fit everything inside. That is the biggest problem in this puzzle, since you can easily put probably like 3, maybe even 4 pieces inside, but when you have 1 or 2 pieces left, you will find that you can't put them because of the lid. Now I'm gonna put a couple of pieces inside to show you what I mean. There are 3 pieces, maybe already 3 pieces in, and I can't close the lid. As you can see, I can put the square piece flat down, but now we have 2 pieces left. I can probably stick this piece inside, yeah, like so, but then I have 1 more piece and I don't have enough space to fit it inside. If you like how the Dump Them puzzle looks and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can buy this puzzle at puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.